Greetings, curious minds, and welcome to another episode of Dr. Answering Nosy, the podcast where we sip on knowledge with a splash of humor and a healthy dose of facts. Today, we're tackling a question that's as fizzy as a can of cola. Can I replace my daily water intake with cola for hydration? I mean, can I just swap my H2O for soda?
You've got quite the thirst for knowledge, nosy. Let's pour ourselves a big glass of information and get started.
So, Dr. Answer, let's jump right in. Can I really quench my thirst with cola instead of good old water?
Well, nosy, you can drink cola to satisfy your thirst temporarily, but it's not a healthy or sustainable choice for hydration. In fact, it can lead to dehydration in the long run.
So, it's like trying to extinguish a forest fire with a squirt gun. You might get a few flames, but the fire's still raging.
That's a creative analogy, but it captures the idea perfectly.
Alright, what's the deal with all that sugar in cola? Can't it keep me hydrated and satisfy my sweet tooth at the same time?
Cola is loaded with sugar, and while it may taste sweet and satisfying, it can actually increase your thirst. When you consume sugary drinks, your body tries to dilute the excess sugar by pulling water from your cells, which can leave you feeling even more thirsty. So, it's like trying to put out a fire by adding more fuel to it. Things are just going to get hotter.
Alright, what about the caffeine in cola? Can't that keep me alert and hydrated at the same time?
Caffeine is a diuretic, which means it can increase your urine output. While it may provide a temporary energy boost, it can also lead to fluid loss, making it less effective for hydration.
So, it's like trying to fuel your car by siphoning out the gas. You might get a little, but you're also losing some.
That's a fun analogy, nosy.
Alright, what about the acidity in cola? Can't that help with digestion while keeping me hydrated?
Cola is indeed acidic, but that doesn't necessarily aid digestion. In fact, excessive consumption of acidic beverages like cola can irritate your stomach lining and lead to digestive discomfort. It's not a good choice for hydration or digestion.
So, it's like trying to put out a fire with a flamethrower. You might get some results, but it's a risky move.
You've got a way with analogies, nosy.
Alright, let's talk hierarchy. Where does cola rank in the hydration scale compared to water?
Cola ranks pretty low on the hydration scale, nosy. Water is the gold standard for staying hydrated because it's pure, calorie-free, and essential for numerous bodily functions. Cola, on the other hand, can actually dehydrate you due to its sugar and caffeine content.
So, it's like trying to win a race against an Olympic sprinter while wearing flip-flops. You're just not in the same league.
Exactly. Water is the hydration champ.
Alright, what if I opt for a diet cola with no sugar? Can that be a better choice for hydration?
Diet cola with no sugar can be a slightly better choice than regular cola in terms of calorie content. However, it's still acidic and contains caffeine. Plus, some diet colas have artificial sweeteners, which can have their own set of concerns when consumed in excess.
So, it's like trying to be healthy by eating a salad drenched in a gallon of ranch dressing. You're missing the point.
That's a tasty analogy.
Alright, what happens to my kidneys if I rely on cola for hydration?
Relying on cola for hydration can put extra strain on your kidneys. Your kidneys play a crucial role in filtering waste and regulating fluid balance in your body. Excessive cola consumption can disrupt this balance and potentially lead to kidney problems over time.
So, it's like asking your kidneys to run a marathon every day. They might pull through for a while, but they'll eventually tire out.
It's important to treat your kidneys with care.
Well, there you have it, folks. While cola may offer temporary relief from thirst, it's not a suitable replacement for water when it comes to long-term hydration. Water is the real MVP in the hydration game, and cola can actually work against your hydration goals.
That's absolutely right, nosy. The best way to stay hydrated is to drink plenty of water throughout the day. And if you enjoyed this podcast episode, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your fellow curious minds. Stay tuned for more refreshing questions and enlightening answers. Until next time, may your thirst be quenched, your questions be curious, and your cola be an occasional treat. Bye, everyone!